Oh my gosh. I can't believe I'm seeing you once in real time. This is just amazing. Whoa! Oh, it's you. I'm so glad you're here again, but I gotta ask you something. Don't tell Mike I'm in his garage.
There's no pedals yet.
There's no pedal, there's no dashboard in here. There's barely a seat. I don't know, Mike. I wish we could get this done. I was really looking forward to driving before it got too cold this winter, but I don't think we're gonna make it now. Rats.
Ralph,
Yes,
a lot of work needs done, buddy.
I know it.
Believe me, I want this done way more than you want it done. Or maybe not.
We want it done a lot.
Come on in. Come on in. It's the neighbor or something. You know, people are always coming over here.
Pestering you.
Pestering
Well,
me.
how you gonna get anything done if they're always
I don't
over
know.
here pestering
Yeah,
you?
I don't know.
Well, oh,
Santa?
Yeah, what's the problem, boys?
Oh, Santa, let me tell you.
We want to drive this car.
What do you got, Santa? How are you going to help us? We want this car done. Let's get this thing done.
Well, I have got some magic piffle dust.
Magic dust.
Magic dust.
And it's like a Christmas miracle.
It will be a Christmas miracle.
Well, it'll be a miracle if it puts this thing back together.
Oh, no.
Let's go for it.
Go, okay. You ready?
Yeah. Oh!
How's that, boys?
Wait, what? It's the same.
Santa, it didn't change anything.
Oh, doggone, I got the wrong dust. This is the 6-month dust.
Oh,
6 months will be as good as new.
Oh, well.
At least I feel like I'm full of the Christmas spirit now.
Well, son, I think you're full of something. In 6 months, it'll be as good as new. Had y'all been good, I could have used the special dust.
See, I told you had to be good.
I tried, Santa. I swear. I tried.
You know, I thought you did too up until about 6 months ago.
Oh.
Then I saw what you were doing.
Well, thank you, Santa Claus.
Well, you all have a Merry Christmas now.
Merry Christmas to you.
If I can help any more, let me know.
All right. Golly.
I can't do projects. I can't do projects. I can't do projects.
A tubie.
A tubie?
Tubby.
I can't. Especially my name. Oh. Hey, I'm starting to feel the effects of that Santa Claus does.
Bless you all. See, that'd been great.
you on your way. We'd like to see you on your way, so Mike can work on the Chevrolet. OMGA, OMGA, we'd like to see you on your way.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Peace out.